What's up, crew? Coming at you today with two very important life questions. One of them is, can you build a slant 6.4 barrel intake on the cheap? Well, sure you can if you got the ability to weld aluminum. The other is, are you going to finish your cornbread? Well, I can't help you with that question, but if I had cornbread, I'd sure like to finish it about now. This intake came off a 1980 Dodge Power Wagon that was being scrapped, and the plate came from eBay. It's a Mr. Gasket 1935, and a very low buck deal. Shout out to my buddy John for getting this welded up for me. But either ways, I'm going to show you a little bit of the process. Like I said, I don't have the technology to weld, but this might give you an idea if you don't have a lot of money like me and you want to do some hot rodding. But I tell you one thing I am going to finish: my liquor. Let's get it. What's up, crew? Coming right back at you. Well, as you can see, there's a little bit of work to complete this, but you can save a lot of money. And eventually on this channel there will be a whole series directed at building a low budget slant 6 race car. But with that said, I'm going to give a shout out to my buddy John for having this welded up and doing a really good job with it. Like this video, hate it, share it, subscribe it, whatever you feel like you need to do. All that matters is you're having a good time doing whatever it is you want to do. With that said, there's one thing I gotta finish, and that's my liquor. No good story ever started with coffee. Wait, what was my line again? Well, I don't even know. I'm just gonna say Aflac.